So in this quick video, we are going to learn how to download your graphic or your design in Canva. This is the design I have right now. I already made all the changes and stuff, and I want to now download this as an image. So the first thing you would do is you go to the top right hand side of your screen and then click on this share button. After that, you want to click on the download. And then in here, you will see the file type. You can download it as GPG, JPG, PNG, PDF, PDF print, SVG, MP4 video, GIF, and all different types of file formats. But I'm happy with the suggested one, which is PNG. If you have a subscription, you can also choose the size, the quality and the size. You can do that as well. And then in here, you can also do the limit file size. For example, there are some websites that, for example, says it should not be more than 2 MB, but you can limit that as well. And then you can compress file to low quality. You can have a transparent background. Once you are happy with everything, you can click on the download button. And then in here, you will see that it's being downloaded. And then in here, you will see that the file is downloaded. You can click on the show in folder, or you can just open up your file. But let's see, we click on open in folder. And then in here, you can double click to see your design. So here is the design. And now you can use this to put it as your YouTube thumbnail. That's it for today. I hope this video was helpful. Like and subscribe for more.